Excuse me, yes please. Could you please tell me your daily lifestyle? Thanks for asking. Actually, I get up early in the morning, then I go to my washroom and I get fresh. After get very fresh, I play my, I pray to all my Deva. Then I go to outside for morning work about half an hour. After getting back home, I have my breakfast, and after my breakfast, I have a cup of tea. After having a cup of tea, I go to my room and I started my study. After finishing my study, I get ready for my school. And at evening, I usually go outside my village. And sometimes I play with my friends. I play carom, ludo. In holidays, I play cricket. Or sometimes I spend my time with my family. And before sunset, I get back into home. After getting back home, I get fresh, and after getting fresh, I pray to all my Dhamma, and then I go to my room and I start my homework. At night, after finishing my homework, I enjoy watching TV with my family, and after watching TV, I go for dinner, and I go to dinner with my family. And after dinner, I get prepared for sleeping, and at 11 at night, I go to bed, and that's all. Thank you. Thank you.